Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll learn how to play I Give You My Heart by Hillsong in the key of G major. Here is middle C for reference. In the key of G major, we have 1 sharp, F sharp. Here's a preview of what the verse section sounds like. Blue fonts represent what the left hand plays, and the red fonts represent what the right hand plays. Our first chord is G major. We play G, D, G on the left, and we play D, G, and B together, which is the second inversion on the right hand. Our next chord is E minor. We have E, B, E on the left hand, and we play E, G, B together, which is the root position on the right. The next chord is C major, with C, G, C on the left, and E, G, and C together on the right, which is the first inversion. Then back to G major, then D major, with D, A, D on the left, and D, F sharp, and A, which is the root position on the right. Then it's E minor 7, with E, B, E on the left, and D, G, and B played together on the right. Next is D slash F sharp, with F sharp octaves on the left, and D, F sharp, and A on the right. Next is G major. Then we have F major, with F, C, and F on the left, and C, F, and A played together on the right, which is the second inversion. Next is C slash D, with D octaves on the left, and C, E, and G on the right. Finally, it's D major, with D on the left, and D, F sharp, and A on the right. Then we end with G major. So again, the chord progression is G major, E minor, C major, G major, D major, E minor 7, D slash F sharp, G major, F major, C slash D, and D major. And we repeat this twice for each verse section. Here's a preview of the chorus section. First chord is G major, which we had learned earlier. Next is D slash F sharp, with F sharp, D, and F sharp on the left, and D, F sharp, and A played together on the right. The next chord is A minor 7, with A, E, and A on the left, and we play C, E, and G together on the right. Next is C/D, D major, and we repeat this pattern again with G, D slash F sharp, A minor 7, C slash D, and D major. And we end with G major. For the more advanced players, you can add some passing notes when transitioning between D slash F sharp to A minor 7 chord. Here, we are adding G and G sharp before we play the A minor 7 chord. So the chorus section would sound like this. You can add the passing notes to both patterns or to the last pattern if you want. Here's a preview of the worship interlude. We'll go over the left hand first. Our first chord is C major with C, G, and C. Next is D slash C with C, A, and C. Then for B minor 7, we have B, F sharp, and B. Finally, we have E minor 7 with E, B, and E. For the right hand, we have E, E, F sharp, G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. With both hands together, we have this. This section is usually played multiple times, usually in a soft manner for a prolonged period of time. This type of interlude is often used during prayer or in a service that's dedicated to quiet contemplative worship. Now, to transition from worship interlude back to the verse or chorus, we can play D slash F sharp after E minor 7 and end with G major. So it sounds like this from worship interlude to the verse or chorus. If you made it to the end and enjoyed this tutorial, please consider giving this video a like. Thank you for watching.